So in this Questrade tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to purchase fractional shares of an ETF here through the Questrade application. So once you open up Questrade, what I want you to do is, as normal, go to the bottom left and press on buy/sell. Once you're here, type in a ETF of your choice. So for example, if I wanted to do SPY, which is currently priced at $539.12, this would be a good example. So go ahead and press on that. Once you're here in the top right, as you can tell where it says fractional in blue, that means that you can in fact purchase fractional shares. So once that is done, go to the bottom left and then press on buy. Once you're on the buy screen, if the market of course was open, what I want you to do is to go to where it says limit order, press on that and change this to market order. This means you can purchase fractional shares and or whole shares. In this case, we want fractional shares. So type in the amount. I believe you can do a minimum of $1, but for example, if you wanted to do $1, that's equivalent to 0.0019 quantity. If you wanted to do $5, almost 0.0093, etc., whatever the case may be. Now, if the market is open, at the bottom it will say review order. Press on that, follow through the process that way, and that's how you guys can purchase fractional shares of an ETF through Questrade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.